I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over creating an email sequence. And an email sequence is different to a regular email broadcast because it's a series of messages that get sent out after someone subscribes, as opposed to a broadcast which is a one-time shot sent out to your full list or a segment of the list. You might want to send out an email sequence to introduce yourself to someone who just signed up to your list. You might want to build that know, like and trust factor. Short email sequence to get people to know you and build that know, like and trust factor is really important. Or you might want to do a 7-day promotional email sequence for a product. There's tons of different ways you can use email sequences in your marketing, and some top marketers even have 2-year-long email sequences. To start our email sequences, we're going to go into campaigns and then email sequence, and then create new sequence, and then we need to name our sequence, choose a list that our sequence is going to be sent out to, and then we can choose if we want to send out to a certain segment, so users that have clicked on a link or done a certain action within this list beforehand. So this is really powerful if you want to send out certain emails to or engaged members or who have opened a certain link. And with advanced segmentation and automation, you can really nail down specific subscribers and increase your ROI immensely. And then here we can choose to send to future subscribers only, so only new subscribers who subscribe into our list, or we can send it to current and future subscribers, so anyone who's already on the list will get this sequence as well. Once you've done that, save and edit sequence emails, and then we're going to see the editor. On the side here we can see all the templates that we can use, and we can bring in really cool looking templates that are pre-built, and then we can just edit and change the images, edit and change the text with the pre-built templates. We're going to close that so we can see the emails in the sequence, and then if we want to add extra emails we can just click add email here. And if it says 0 days, that means it's going to be sent out immediately after they subscribe. So we can change how long we want until our messages are sent out by clicking the clock. And then to change how long until the message is sent out, we can change the autoresponder time value. And then we change that to 1 and set it as day, so it will be sent out 1 day after someone subscribes. And we can also set it to send after someone opens a certain campaign. And then you can choose which campaign someone has to open before the next email is sent. And the activate at is simply the time the email is activated. So anyone who subscribes after this time will be sent the email after autoresponder time value. So once you're happy with the campaign options, click Save Changes, and then it's going to update. And it's very important that you activate each email, otherwise they're not going to get sent out. This email is now activated and is now sending, but this one is not activated and won't send. So you can keep adding sequence emails and make the sequence as long as you like. And there's open tracking and click tracking and all that good stuff already included, so you don't have to worry about setting any of that stuff up. You can name your email here so you can track your emails more easily. The only person who will see this campaign name is you. And obviously you need to just edit your subject and your body. Make sure not to edit this, because this is required on all emails as per the CAN-SPAM Act. If you remove this, then your emails will not be sent out. Once you're happy with your email sequence, just click on Done. And then it's going to give you all the details that you need to keep track of your campaigns. It's going to show you the total subscribers and the confirmed subscribers. So if they've confirmed into double opt-in, they're going to show as confirmed. And your total is confirmed and unconfirmed. You're going to see if there's an error or they're blacklisted. If they've sent lots of spam complaints in or something like that, they're going to be blacklisted and they're not going to be able to show up in the system. Then you're going to see the amount that are subscribed. Then you're going to see the total unconfirmed subscribers, so subscribers who haven't clicked to confirm on a double opt-in. You're going to see how many are manually disabled if you go into your list and manually disable. And here you're going to see unapproved subscribers if you set up approval for your list, and then you're going to see how many subscribers have been moved. If you ever want to edit the sequence and change anything, you can come back here and edit the sequence. And to view the individual emails in a sequence, you need to come into Email Regular, and then you can see the emails that are in the sequence. And then if we come over here, we can click the overview, and it's going to show us all the good stats for that email. So how many's sent, how many's opened, the click-through rate, if any have bounced, and the unsubscribe rate. And then all the useful details for everything to do with that email. Down here you've got more information, the whole campaign overview, and even more detailed stats. So there's loads and loads of stats and loads of stuff you can track. And like I said before, you have loads of automation options inside Mailing Boss. It's really, really powerful. So you can set up great segmenting email sequences to really follow up with your subscribers in a really cool way. That's it for this training. In this video we went over setting up an email sequence.